Good morning, student. Welcome here in your social science class. As you all of you know that we are discussing chapter number 3 from your geography. Which chapter? Mineral and power resources. We have already learned in our previous video tutorial types of minerals. Yes, metallic and non-metallic. We already learned about what do you understand by minerals. Okay. Then what about the extraction of minerals? Yes, about which process? Mining, drilling and quarrying. So student, this is your part 2 of this chapter. Now let's come here. If we know that, now we know how minerals are extracted. Okay, by the which process minerals are extracted? By the mining, by the drilling and by the even quarrying also. So now the question come here. Do we know anything about distribution? Yes, distribution where? Distribution around the earth. So student, now let's come here. Okay, minerals occur in different types of rocks. From which things? Minerals occur in different types of rock such as igneous rock, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rock. So student, if we talk about the igneous rock and metamorphic rocks, so which minerals? Yes, generally metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks formation that form large plateaus. Is it clear? Which? Yes. Then what about the sedimentary rock? So sedimentary rock, it means non-metallic minerals. Which? Yes. So sedimentary rock formation of plains and young fold mountains contains non-metallic minerals. Which mineral? Non-metallic minerals like limestone. So the metallic minerals, as you all of you know about, usually found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, and these are large plateaus. Okay, and what about the examples? Yes, some of the example, as you can see here, iron ore in Sweden. Where? Yes, if we talk about the Sweden, and which ore? Iron ore. Then copper and nickel in Ontario. Which one? Copper and nickel in Ontario. Then iron, nickel, platinum in South Africa, etc. Now students, just look at here. What about the non-metallic minerals? Okay, these are usually found in sedimentary rock. All of you know about it. Which minerals are found in sedimentary rock? Non-metallic minerals. Okay, formation of plains and young fold mountains by the formation of which things? Yes, young and fold mountains. Some of limestone in Caucasus. So reason, manganese in where? Georgia. And what about Ukraine? Ukraine and phosphate of Algeria. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum also found here. Which fuels? Yes, mineral fuels, and which one? Coal and petroleum. Now student, we will talk about the Asia. Okay, now let's come here. You must know about, first of all, China and India. So China and India have largest iron ore deposits. So which one? Yes. Which one have the largest iron ore deposit? China and India. The continent produce more than half of the world tin. Other continents also, if we talk about, so which produces more than half of the world tin? China, Malaysia and Indonesia. Which one? China, Malaysia and Indonesia are amongst the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten also. Okay, if we talk about the tungsten, so which is? Yes, China also leads. Then Asia also has deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Which one? Yes, Asia also has deposits. If we talk about the Asia, so Asia has also deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Student, some of the important things you must know about. So, did you know Switzerland? If we talk about the Switzerland, has no known mineral deposits. Then Europe. Europe is the world's leading producer of iron ore. So, which country? Yes. Europe is the world's leading producer of which ore? Iron. Russia, okay, Ukraine, Sweden and France host largest deposit. This one is very important. You must know a green diamond is the rarest diamond. Yes, which diamond? A green diamond is the rarest diamond. Then the oldest rocks in the world are in Western Australia. So where it is? It is in Western Australia. They date from 4,300 million years ago. How much years ago the oldest rocks which are in Western Australia? 4,300 million years ago. Only 300 million years after the earth was formed. Okay. Now student, let's come here. We will talk about the North America. Which one? North America. Okay. So, the mineral deposit in North America are located in 3 zones. As you can see here, it is located in 3 zones if we talk about the North America. So, the first one is the Canadian region. The second one is Appalachians. And the third one is Western Cordilleras. Okay, so first we talk about the Canadian region. So the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, okay, minerals, which minerals found over here? Okay, iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper. Which minerals? Yes, iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper. And what about Appalachians? Yes, about the coal. Which mineral? Yes, coal. And here also, if we talk Western Cordilleras, what about the which? Copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. Okay student, now let's come here. We will talk about the South America. Which one? We will talk about the South America. So as you can see here, Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore in the world. Okay, which one? Yes, Brazil. So, and where it is? It is in the South America. So Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore in the world. Then after this, Chile and Peru are leading producers of copper. Which one? Yes, Chile and Peru. And which mineral? Copper. Okay, then Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producers of tin also. If we talk about the Bolivia, so which one? Brazil also and Bolivia also are among the world's largest producer of tin. Then what about the South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc. Which one? Yes, gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum. These are, yes, as you can see, which one? Gold, okay, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum. Okay, then asbestos and diamond also. Mineral, if we talk about the minerals, oil. So mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Which one? Yes, Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Is it clear for student? Yes. Now let's come here. We will talk about the Africa. Which one? Yes, of Africa. So Africa is rich in mineral resources. Okay. It is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. Which is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum? Africa. Okay. So South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire produce a large portion of the world's largest gold. Which one? Yes. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire produce a large portion of the world's gold. The other thing also, you can say the other minerals also we found in Africa, just like copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium. Which one? Yes, copper ore, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite also. Oil, if we talk about the oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Where? Yes, Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Now student, just look at here. What about the Australia? Which one? What about the Australia? Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Which is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Australia. Is it clear, beta? It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. Which one? It has the leading? Yes, it is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and manganese. Okay. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposit of gold. Now student, just look at the next one, Antarctica. Okay, the geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of mineral deposits. Okay, so some probably large. Significant size of deposit of coal in the which one? Yes, Transantarctic Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountains of East Antarctica is forecasted. Which one? Yes, here as you can see about the coal. Which thing? About the coal, Transantarctic Mountains, and what about the iron? Prince Charles Mountain. Then other also iron ore, gold, silver and oil also are present in the commercial quantities and where in Antarctica. Is it clear for everyone? Now the student just look at here. Okay, let's come here about the mineral distribution where in our country, India. So first we will talk about the iron. Which one first we will talk? First we will talk about the iron. So India has deposits of high grade iron ore. Okay, so the mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand. Here as you can see, Jharkhand. Then where? The next one is Odisha. Then Chhattisgarh. Then Madhya Pradesh, Goa. Where the Goa? Yes, here is it, Goa. Then Maharashtra and Karnataka also. Okay, so these are the states. Which states? Look at very carefully student. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Now the next thing comes here about the bauxite. Which is the next thing? Yes, if we talk about the bauxite, so major bauxite producing areas are again the Jharkhand, then Odisha, then Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Which states? Yes, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So the next one, student, mica. Okay, so it deposit mainly occur in Jharkhand. Just look at Jharkhand is very rich in mineral deposit. As you can see, iron ore also, bauxite also, or not this mica. So Jharkhand, then Bihar. The next one is, yes, Bihar. Then Andhra Pradesh. Where the next one? Yes, Andhra Pradesh. Then Rajasthan also. Yes, Rajasthan. India is the largest producer and exporter. Just must know about it. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Is it clear for everyone? Now the next one, student. If we talk about the copper, which thing? Yes, if we talk about the copper, so it is mainly produced in Rajasthan. Which state? Yes, the copper is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Again, just look at the Jharkhand name. Then Karnataka. Then Andhra Pradesh. Which are the states? Copper produced mainly Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Then student, just look at the next one, manganese. Which one? Yes, manganese. India's manganese deposit lie in the Maharashtra. First where? Yes, Maharashtra. Then Chhattisgarh. Which state? Chhattisgarh. Then Odisha. Then Karnataka and then Andhra Pradesh also. Is it clear? Now student, let's come here. We will discuss about the limestone. Which thing? Yes, limestone. Major limestone producing states in India are. Which are the major limestone producing states? Now look at very carefully. The first one is Bihar. Then again Jharkhand. Yes. Then Odisha. Okay. Then Madhya Pradesh. Which is the next one? Madhya Pradesh. Then Chhattisgarh. Then Rajasthan. And then Gujarat also. Which is the next one? Gujarat. And which is the next one? Tamil Nadu. So these are the state. Which state? Yes, limestone. Which produce the major limestone? Limestone. Which one? Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Now student, look at here. What about the gold? As you all of you know about. Okay, what about the gold? Kolar in Karnataka. Where? Yes, Kolar in Karnataka has deposit of gold in India. Which deposit? Deposit of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world. Kolar. Okay, so these mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. Is it clear for everyone, student? Okay, now the look at the next one, salt. Okay, if we talk about the salt, it is obtained from seas, as you all of you know that. Where we obtain salt? Yes, salt is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. So India is one of the world's leading producer and exporters of salt. Just look at here, student. I am going to show you picture also, extraction of salt from Samba Lake, and where? In Rajasthan. Where? In Rajasthan. Now student, as you can see here, extraction of salt from Samba Lake in Rajasthan. Got it? Yes, here as you can see here in this picture. So what about the salt? Okay, it is obtained from seas. Obtained from where? Yes, obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. And India is one of the world's leading producer and exporters of salt. Now we will study about the uses of minerals. Which thing? Yes, uses of minerals. Student, minerals are used in many industries. Okay, so minerals जो है काफ़ी industries में use किया जाता है आपका. First of all, the student, just look at here. Minerals which are used for gems. Okay, as you can see, look at here. So minerals are used for gems are usually very hard. So these are then set in various styles for jewelry also. Okay. So minerals कैसे यूज होते हैं? वो आपके जो जेम्स में यूज होते हैं वो बहुत हार्ड होते हैं and then they set in a various style for jewelry. If we talk about the copper, copper is another metal used in everything, even from coins. Just look at, copper is also used to making coins and even pipes also. Other things also we can use the copper. Okay, so if we talk about the silicon, so silicon used in computer industries also. Here as you can see, so silicon used in copper industries is obtained from quartz. किससे आपका obtained होता है वो बेटा? quartz. Then aluminium. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite. जो आपका aluminium है वो जो आपको ore bauxite, okay, which ore bauxite is used in just like automobiles, okay, then airplanes, then bottle industries also, then buildings, and you must know about even in the kitchen cookware. So what about the aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in which is thing? Yes, kitchen cookware, then buildings, bottle industry, airplanes and automobiles. So student, it is the use of the minerals. So for today's student, that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.